Hi there my beading friends, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful earrings. Yes, I know I use a lot of beads here, different type of beads, but the final result is so worth it. And if you decide making a lot of different jewelries and follow me, it's a good idea to buy some variation of beads, so you could make some cool stuffs as well. So if you're new here, it's a good idea to subscribe and check out my next upcoming videos. And if you want to support me and see more tutorials like this, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be really happy to see your creations. And now I'm going to start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are a lot of different beads, but the final result is so worth it that I suggest you buy them and you make them. Okay, the first beads I need are 6 O's of this beautiful white color, and I'm using 11 O's in white and black. And I'm using these faceted crystals, or also called roundelles, that are 6 by 4 millimeters, and I'm using bicones. These bicones are 10 millimeters and these are 3 millimeters long, and I'm using twin beads in this beautiful black color. I'm also going to use these ear wires, size 10 beading needle, monofilament, which is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and I'm using these flat nose pliers to squeeze my monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle. So if you don't use this type of thread and you use flat thread, you won't need the pliers, and you could use scissors, or I'm using this instrument to cut closer to my work. And I'm going to start by taking about an arm span of thread and putting it on my needle, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I have an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'm going to take 6 of these beautiful 6 O's. I'm using 12 of them, by the way. I will tell you in the description exactly how many beads I need of any type. Okay, now I'm going to stick my needle in my mat and I'm going to make a knot here. And I'm making a knot by making a loop and going once, then going twice through the same loop I made, and I'm going to pull, and when I pull I have this. Now I want to reinforce all of my beads here. And now I'm exiting here after my tail thread, and what I want to take is one twin bead, and I will go through the next 6-0. Then I'm taking one more, going through the next 6-0, and I'm gonna continue this until I finish my full circle of beads, and then I will tell you what's coming up next. Okay, and I added my last bead here. Now I'm going to flip my work, and as I'm exiting from this hole of my twin bead, I will go through the other hole of the same twin bead, and I will start making my next row. And for my next row I need 11 O and one red faceted crystal 6 by 4, and I'm taking one more white bead and I'm going through the next twin. And as you can guess, I will repeat this 5 more times and I will make a full circle here. Okay, and I just finished my circle, and now I'm gonna go through my next crystal and okay, one step back. I want to exit out of the crystal. And now what I want to do here is take one seed bead, one twin bead, and then again one seed bead, and I'm going again through the crystal. Okay, now this is what I have. Then again taking 11-0, one twin, then one more 11-0, going through the next crystal. And as you can guess, I will repeat this 4 more times, and then I will tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and I finished this row, and now what I want to do is go through this white bead and through the next twin, or you could use superduos for this one, and I'm going back through the other hole of my twin bead. Then I will turn my work this way, and what I want to do here as I'm exiting of this twin bead is to take 6 O's, and I'm going to take 6 O's, and I will go back in circle through this twin bead. Okay, just like that. Now what I want to do is reinforce this circle here. Okay, and after I reinforce it, I'm going to start attaching my twin beads to this inner circle of beads. Okay, I'm going through the next hole of my twin and then through the next 6-0, just like that. Then again going through these twin beads and through the 6-0, and again through the twin bead and through the 6-0. Okay, then I'm going to repeat this, going through the twins empty hole and through the next 6-0, then again twins empty hole and the 6-0. Okay, now what you can do is go around and reinforce this work in the center and go as many times as you think you should to feel it nice and tight and secure. And then after you finish reinforcing, what you can do is go through one of the twins, then back through the outer hole of the twin and then through this white bead. And my goal is to exit through the crystal. Okay, only through the crystal, not through the white seed bead. Okay, then I will flick my work because you know I prefer to work in this direction, and I'm going to start adding my 3mm beads. So I'm taking one seed bead, my 3mm bicone, and one seed bead, and I'm going through the next crystal, then one seed bead, my 3mm bicone, and then one seed bead, and I'm going through the next one. And then guess what, I'm going to continue adding more and more beads the same way I showed you until I finish this row. Okay, now I have my element ready and I will go through this bicone here. And now I'm going to continue with my earring. And the first thing I want to do is take 4 seed beads and I will go back through this bead here, just like that. Then I will reinforce this joint here one more time. Okay, and after I'm done reinforcing it, I will go through those 2 beads. Okay, and in my next step I'm going to take one of my 3mm beads, then one white 8/0 11/0 sorry, and one 10mm bead, and then again one black bead. Okay, this is what I have on my needle, and I'm going to slide this down. Okay, then what I want to do is go back through all of my beads here, and you see where my thread is going here through these 2 beads, and now I'm going to go through the other 2 beads because I want to fix my beads to stay in the center of my work. Okay, then I'm going back through this crystal here. Then back. And up there through my bicone. And I will exit here through the big bicone that is 10mm. Okay, and now I'm going to start adding 8 rows of this beautiful black color. So I will take 8 of them. Okay, and I have my 8 here. And I'm going back through this bicone. And I'm exiting here at the top. Then I'm going to repeat this from the other side of my earring. Okay, and I'm going through all of my bicone. Okay, now this is what I have, and now you could go reinforcing these sides one more time, and then I'll be back to tell you how to attach your earring finding. Okay guys, and now I reinforced this joint here, and now I'm going to show you how to attach your ear wire. So I'm going through this black bead here, and I will take one white bead. I will take my earring finding. I will go through it, then I will slide this down, and I want to take one more white bead, and what I'm going to do is go back in circle through this middle bead in the center. Now I'm going to reinforce this joint at least 3 or 4 times, and I'll be back to show you how to make your knots. Okay guys, and after I went around several more times here and a few times around this crystal again, now I want to go down. My main purpose is to make my earring not to bend to one direction, but to sit nicely. And now I'm going here. I will choose a place here, somewhere here between my beads, and I'm going to make a knot by making a loop and then going once and then going second time through the loop I made, and I'm going to pull, and then I'm going to repeat this several more times, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread and my earring will be ready. Okay guys, and now my earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more videos like this, please like, share and comment, and I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you want to make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. And don't forget, if you're new here, to subscribe and follow me, and I will see you soon.